JeromeTronic.
Alright, we're about to check out RWBY Chapter 2, The Shining Beacon. See what this is about. Ha, that was awesome.
Cut nothing on this. That kid's got a collapsible snap. She's got a fire sword. No. Easy there, little sister. They're just weapons. Just weapons? They're an extension of ourselves. They're a part of us. Oh, they're so cool. Well, why can't you swing over your own weapon? Aren't you happy with it? Of course I'm happy with Crescent Rose. I just really like seeing new ones. It's like meeting new people. But better. RWBY, hon, why don't you go try and make some friends of your own? But why would I need friends when I have you? Well, actually, my friends are here now. That was my job. It's you. Hey! Where are you going? Are we supposed to go to our dorms?
Yeah!
Do we have dorms? I don't know what I'm doing. What are you doing? Sorry. Sorry? Do you have any idea of the damage you could have caused? Give me that. This is dust. Mined and purified from the Schnee Quarry. What are you? Brain dead? Dust. Fire. Water. Lightning. Energy. Are you even listening, Steve? Is any of this sinking in? What do you have to say for yourself?
Dang.
Unbelievable! This is exactly the kind of thing I was talking about. I'm really, really sorry. You complete dolt! What are you even doing here? Aren't you a little young to be attending Beacon?
Oh.
This isn't your ordinary combat school. It's not just sparring and practice, you know. We're here to fight monsters, so watch where you're going. Hey, I said I was sorry, princess. It's Eris, actually. Weiss Schnee, heiress to the Schnee Dust Company, one of the largest producers of energy propellant in the world. Finally, some recognition. This same company, infamous for its controversial labor forces and questionable business partners.
Huh.
How dare! The nerve of... I promise I'll make this up to you. I guess I'm not the only one having a rough first day. So, what's... Welcome to Beacon.
Hey. I'm Jean.
RWBY. Aren't you the guy that threw up on the ship?
Details ain't important. Right.
All I'm saying is that motion sickness is a much more common problem than people let on.
Look, I'm sorry. Vomit Boy was the first thing that came to mind.
Oh, yeah? What if I called you Craterface?
Hey, that explosion was an accident.
Well, the name's Jean Arc. Short and sweet, rolls off the tongue. Ladies love it.
Do they?
They will. Well, I hope they will. I mean, my mom always says, never mind.
So, I got this thing.
Whoa!
The hell is that?
Scythe?
It's also a customizable, high-impact sniper rifle.
What?
It's also a gun.
Oh, that's cool.
So what do you got?
Oh, I got this sword.
Ooh. Ooh.
Yeah, I got a shield too.
So, what did they do?
Whoa, that's not.
Damn, messed up already.
The shield gets smaller, so when I get tired of carrying it, I can just put it away.
But wouldn't it weigh the same?
Yeah, it does.
Well, I'm kind of a dork when it comes to weapons. I guess I did go a little overboard in designing it.
Wait, you made that?
Of course! All students at Signal forge their own weapons. Didn't you make yours?
It's a hand-me-down. My great-great-grandfather used it to fight in the war.
Sounds more like a family heirloom to me. Well, I like it. Not many people have an appreciation for the classics these days.
Yeah, the classics.
So why'd you help me out back there in the courtyard?
Yeah, why not? My mom always says, strangers are just friends you haven't met yet.
Hey, where are we going?
Oh, I don't know. I was following you. You think there might be a directory? Maybe a food court? Some sort of recognizable landmark? Is that a no?
That's a no.
Dang, got shut down. Anyway. Yeah. Post your comments down below. Let me know what you guys thought. If y'all enjoyed my reaction, hit the like button, subscribe, and share. 3 million subscribers. I'm out at 7,000. See?